are in Photoshop. Here I will select a new layer. So we will take the different shapes to create a structure. First of all, we will take that one. So then change the structure here. I will import an image here. So there is an image. We will find it. So I will make it fixed over it. Then generate the clipping mask over that shape. As you can see, here I will take another shape. Similarly, we will repeat the process here. Take an image, stretch it to cover it. So that's it. Thank you for watching.